What's up, fam? Welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. If you are new, this is my channel, and I am Natalie. I already said that. It's my channel is Music to Makeup. I completely screwed that intro up. I wonder if they call chokers because by the time you finally get it on, you're ready to choke someone. It literally took me like 15 minutes to get it off. I think that's because I have these nails on. Why do we do these things to ourselves? Like, I guess because they're just so pretty, but I can't do anything with them. Alright, so this video is going to be my January Sephora play. Sephora play is by far my favorite subscription box. Let's see what we get in it this month. Sephora play is $10 a month, which is awesome. It's one of the cheapest subscription boxes there is. Along with Birchbox and Ipsy are $10 as well, but the products in Sephora Play aren't even on the same level as Birchbox and Ipsy products. They are mostly high-end or Sephora products, and they are the bomb. So let's get into it. So here is the bag for this month, and it is Happy New Year 2018. And let me get my, oh that's cute. It has a beautiful 2018, and then it has steps. Resolve to up your beauty game this year with these monthly changes. All right, the first one, drink up. Talk about vodka? Probably water, not vodka. Yeah, it's water. Okay. So it says you're supposed to divide your weight, or your weight divided by 2, and that equals the number of ounces you're supposed to drink. Okay. Number 2, love your lips. This romantic month is not just for couples. Show yourself some love. Wear a bright lip color and buy yourself flowers just because. Oh my god, that's crazy. Like, I actually filmed a tutorial for this look, and I was talking about, because it's a Valentine's Day look, I was talking about how self-love is the most important, and if you're not with anyone, if you're single, then you need to treat yourself. Instead of spending the money you would spend on someone else if you were with them, spend it on yourself. Get a massage. Just do something and do what makes you happy. So that is so funny they said that. And I even said that's why I did a bright lip color. I said it's a fact that people think that women who wear red lipstick are more confident, or they're portrayed as more confident. All right, number 3, eat green. Number 4, sweat it out. Number 5, make room. Your beauty products expire quicker than you think. Check the chart to see when you should recycle. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome that they tell you how long your products last. Because I'm like, should I throw this out? Because I've had it for a while, but I don't know how long this. Okay, powders, 24 months. Okay, 2 years. Cream-based blush/lip, 18 months. Liquid-based coverage lip, 12 months. I've had lipsticks for longer than a year. Pencil eyeliner, 24 months. Mascara or liquid eyeliner, 3 months. I have to throw out a lot of stuff. Creams and serums, 12 months. Okay. Number 6, exfoliate away. I do that. Number 7, widen your horizons. Pick a podcast playlist or book series to enjoy while you explore a new place. 8, practice self-care. Find your inner peace this month through yoga practice, meditation, or positive thinking. Number 9, mask more. All right, number 10, be fearless. Step out of your comfort zone. Number 11, treat your hair. Number 12, pay it forward. Your bonus. Okay, anyway, on to the product. I really like that though. That's super cute, and those are all really good tips. and all things that I've been trying to do, and hopefully I will be doing better this year. Okay. Oh my God. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. All right. I know. I know. There's no, I don't know how it goes. Okay. So the first product is this Makeup Forever Artist Face Color Blush in B302. Ooh, so pretty. Not I love me like a pink or coral blush. A pressed powder blush in a soft shimmery peach for a hint of warm cheek color. Alright, it does look like it has a little bit of like micro gold glitter in there. Oh my god. Oh, it's very buttery. I've never tried Makeup Forever blushes before. Oh, I love that. You can hardly see the gold. It's not like glitter. It's just a little bit of shimmer. That is so pretty. This is 0.04 ounces. Okay. The next product is this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. Lightweight, non-greasy primer and moisturizer. Oh, so it's a primer and moisturizer. I have been loving those. If you didn't already know, I'm obsessed with the First Aid Beauty one. Okay, lightweight, non-greasy primer and moisturizer delivers deep hydration while prepping skin for makeup. I've been loving these moisturizers and primers in one because seriously, who's got time to put both on, you know? So it's like a white cream. It is very lightweight. It feels almost like a serum. Like I was expecting it to have more of a creamy feel because just the way it looked, but it's very quick absorbing and it feels almost like a serum. Yeah, that is definitely very lightweight. So if you have oily skin, you would like this. Unlike the First Aid Beauty one, probably wouldn't because that is very moisturizing, and if you're already oily, you don't want to be adding that much moisture. So this would be good. I'm really excited to try it. Alright, the third product is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. I actually have this in the full size and it's one of my favorite face cleansers. It says Ultra Creamy Cleanser uses a blend of 3 charcoals to clear pores and remove excess oil and makeup. It's really awesome because you put it on your dry face and it looks like a mud. It looks like the clearing treatment, like a charcoal mud, and then when you add water, it foams and feels very refreshing, and it does get rid of all the dirt and excess oil on your face. I love using this, especially when I have breakouts, because it just works so well on them. This is one of my favorite products, and I am excited to get a travel size. Since I have the full size, I can take this with me traveling. Okay, the next product is this Paracone MD H2 Elemental Energy Hydrating Cloud Cream. It says light as air moisturizer gives skin a boost of deep hydration for a revitalized complexion. Okay, Paracone MD is definitely a very good brand. Doesn't have much or like hardly any scent. And it's very silky. The fourth product is the Clinique Pep Star Eye Cream. This is my holy grail favorite eye cream of all time. It says a hydrating and brightening under eye cream that's easy to pop in your bag for pick-me-ups throughout the day. I love it because it's so hydrating and creamy, and it just makes your eyes feel so good, and it does brighten. And I think Clinique just has great eye creams, great skincare and makeup all together. Some of their products I don't love so much, but their eye creams, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, and the last product is this Moroccan Oil Moisture Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. An oil-infused shampoo and conditioner for clean, sleek, moisturized, and nourished hair. Okay, so I guess I got this instead of like the usual perfume, which is considered a bonus, because I was like, why are these such crappy little samples? But it's probably because it's the bonus. It's not the perfume, which is okay with me because I have a ton of perfume. And I love this brand, Moroccan Oil. I have tried their products before. I have not tried this, but I am excited to try it. An everyday shampoo and conditioner for all hair types that gently cleanse and hydrate. So that is my play by Sephora, and yeah, it was awesome. As usual, like always, their boxes do not disappoint, and January was no exception. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace, love. I'll see you later, bitches.